Hello there, and thank you very much for joining me today. My name's Paul. Today behind me I've got one of our Peugeot experts, the L1H1 Peugeot Expert panel van in Cumulus Grey. I just want to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features these fantastic vans have got that can be of benefit to you and your business. So, let's have a look around. Okay, so as I've said, this is one of our Peugeot Expert L1H1 panel vans in Cumulus Grey. First thing to point out, it's a pre-registered vehicle, so with that you have got the full manufacturer's warranty from the date of the vehicle's first registration. Aside from that, we've protected the bodywork by applying a triple layer Guardex treatment. What that treatment does is that gives you some protection for that lovely finish against any negative effects of UV from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, anything at all really that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to that lovely finish. So if we're just going to have a quick walk around the outside, and what you'll notice, you've got a sliding door on each side of the vehicle. Getting to the back, you've got those lovely barn style doors there, so they're going to give you maximum access into the back storage area of this van. Diesel filler cap is just there above the near side rear wheel arch, and just behind the passenger door there on the near side, between the passenger door and that sliding door, you've got the add blue filler. So as you've seen walking around, absolutely lovely vehicle, beautiful colour as well. Let's whip into the back and have a look inside. Okay, so coming into the back storage area of the vehicle. First of all, dimensions across the width between the wheel arches, you've got 125 centimetres of width there. From the floor to the bottom of the ribs on the ceiling, you've got 130 centimetres, and they're measured along the floor from the base of the bulkhead there all the way to the back. And as you see there, you've got 245 centimetres of storage length. So loads and loads of room in the back of this van. You do get the spare wheel, as you see there. That will be harnessed underneath at point of sale, just kept in the back there for security whilst on site. You've also got a couple of lights there, so if you're working in low light, it's going to be nice and easy to do so. Lots and lots of tie-down points as well, so if you need anything at all harnessed down for stability or safety, it's going to be very, very easy to do so. Just looking at the doors, as you see, they do open out to 90 degrees, but for any reason, let's say someone's parked close behind, or for any other reason you need those doors further open, just going to pull that yellow tag there. Doors are now going to open out to 180 degrees, really maximising the access into that rear storage area. So just moving around now to the near side sliding door, and just having a look in there. So nice access there on both sides of the vehicle, lots and lots of accessibility. If you do need a bit more storage length, you have got the flap there that pulls down. Now that's going to give you another 45 centimetres of storage length going underneath the passenger seats. Just moving into the front, however, if you do need a bit more storage in there, just going to pull on this blue tag. That's going to lift that passenger seat up there, and now that's going to give us a total of 1 metre extra running into the cab of the vehicle, so an additional 55 centimetres on top of the 45 underneath the seat. Now looking in the back, as you can see, the back of the vehicle has not been ply lined. But if that is something that you do require, while we do not do accessories ourselves, we can put you in touch with local businesses that will do things like that, and they'll give you a very good rate as well. So anything like ply lining, parking sensors, anything at all you need, we can help you with that as well. So as you've seen, lots and lots in the back of this vehicle, lots of functionality there for you, lots and lots of options. Let's jump into the cab and have a look in the front. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side now, lots and lots of storage space there in the door channels, as you can see. You've also got electronically controlled windows, electronically controlled mirrors as well. Looking at your seats, all finished off to a very high standard there, lovely and comfortable, very nice finishing. 3 adjustable headrests there on all of the seats for maximum convenience for all in the van. You've got a nice hard surface as well that pulls down there. That's going to be really useful for any invoicing, billing or journal entries. And you've also got an armrest there that pulls down for the convenience of the driver. Just jumping up into the driver's seat now. Okay, so clutch down and starting the vehicle. So as you see, the vehicle starts nice and easy first time. No warning lights at all on that dash display either, which is perfect. And delivery miles only on these vehicles. It's nice crystal clear, easy to read display as well there for you. Different options, so you can have that display change to show whatever driving information you prefer to have on display for you. Just looking around the steering wheel now, so on the right hand stalks you've got the automatic wipers included with this vehicle, the remote just below that for the media system. Upper left you've also got automatic headlights, and lower left you've got the cruise control options and limiter just there as well. Moving around the cab, lots and lots of storage. You've got storage compartments there and there, you've got the glove box as well just there. Cup holders at each extreme of the dash, so added convenience, some storage in the centre, lots and lots going on there for you. Moving down to the gear sticks, 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got a USB and a 12-volt point as well just behind that, with some storage useful for a mobile device. Above that we've got the climate control. So with this vehicle you do also have aircon included, as well as heated wing mirrors as well. Moving up to the media system, so as you can see there, it does support Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink as well. So if you do connect your phone using the USB point just below, that's going to mirror your device up here. Very, very useful if you're using something like the Waze SatNav app or Apple Maps or Google Maps, anything at all like that. As well as that, as you can see, you've also got the Bluetooth connection. So with that, you've got the options to stream audio as well as for your hands-free calling options as well. Moving into the vehicle options there, so you've got the automatic stop-start, traction control, diagnostic system as well. Radio, as you can see, you've got DAB radio included amongst your normal AM and FM options as well. Settings, you've got lots and lots of settings you can go through there. You've also got an SMS viewer, reader, and a photo viewer as well. So lots and lots of added functionality there for you. Just one last quick look around. Looking upwards there, you've also got the SOS call button as well. Okay. So thank you very much for taking the time to have a look around the L1H1 Peugeot Expert with me. I'm sure you'd agree this is a fantastic little van. Loads and loads of features there to be a benefit to both you and your business. So anything at all that we can do to discuss purchasing one of these fantastic vans or jumping onto one of our fantastic finance deals, please feel free to let me know. It'd be a pleasure to look after you however possible. I'm sure you'd agree, absolutely fantastic value for money with everything they've got packed in there for you. Aside from that, if you can do me a favour, hit that 5-star review button for me. That would be greatly appreciated. Once again, thank you very much for your time today. Have a lovely day ahead. We'll really look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye now.